On top inside Edo today, wives of Southan Governors Forum don elect Betsy Obaseki as their Presido. Wife of Edo State Governor Betsy Obaseki don collect better position for wives of Southan Governors Forum as dem don elect her as their Presido, and dem give her dis ogbonge position make she for help the forum take support their husbands dem mandate to waka on top democracy plans for the country. Dem hold dis election for meeting wey dem do wey all the wives of the 36 state governors tanda put, and e shele for the First Lady Conference Hall, the one wey dey Abuja, where Niger State Governor wife Dr. Amina Sani Bello tanda as the president of the wives of the Northern Governors Forum. For the speech wey Betsy give to take thank dem for dis position, she give better salute give the wives of the Southern governors on top the trust wey dem get for her, say she go fit lead dem, and she come promise say she no go disappoint dem at all. She come still throway gidigba salute give the First Lady of Nigeria Aisha Buhari on top the correct style of leadership wey she get, and how she take dey carry the 36 wives of the state governors together to carry we country go the next level for their states for the past 4 years. First Lady of we country Aisha Buhari thank all the governors' wife unto say the confidence wey dey get for themselves, and say the 4 years wey don waka go before, they don do many gidigba things to take change the life of the people wey dey we country. She come add say no be say because na say dem be governors' wife na im make dem dey do all dis ogbonge support, but make dem continue to dey do good, as dis one go make people remember dem when they comot for dis position, the one wey oyinbo dey call legacy. Na here we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today, as the wives of the Southern governors don elect Betsy Obaseki as their Presido to catapult democracy plans waka for their states. And no forget say dis ogbonge informate so na Live Media na im dey tanda and gidigba put for you on top wetin dey shele for inside Edo today. My name na Nimat Shagumo.